Hi, I'm Maya from Priority Software. Welcome to Priority version 19.0. In this video, I will demonstrate how to navigate within the web-based Priority interface that can be accessed via your web browser. We are currently on the homepage. Let's start with a short explanation of the homepage. Here are shortcuts to forms, reports, and other entities in the system. You can add shortcuts by clicking on the plus sign. To delete the shortcuts, hover over the top left side, open the three-dotted menu that appears, and click on Delete. In the right pane, you'll see the recent items, in which you'll find the entities that were recently opened, such as forms, reports, and programs. Below this are the latest updates, where you can view active records that are relevant to you and have recently changed. Here, above the tiles, is the search bar, which will help you find various documents in the system, such as invoices, orders, and customers. This is Priority's main menu. It's divided into content areas such as Financials, CRM, and Sales. Click on one of the menus to display a list of relevant entities, which are divided into submenus according to topic. For example, from Sales, you can see submenus such as Orders and Price Quotations. And by clicking on Orders, you'll see the Sales Orders form, a menu of reports pertaining to orders, and more. Click on the form and it will open. If you right-click the form, an Options menu will open. From this menu, you can view help for this form, or by clicking Online Help, you can access various help tools for this form, such as videos, standard operating procedures, and FAQs. You also have the option to add to favorites and add to homepage. Here on the left, you'll notice a magnifying glass. If you are unable to find a form in the menu, click here and type in the form's name or part of the name, and the system will retrieve the forms, reports, or programs that meet the search term. From here, you can open the form or even add it to your homepage for easy access, so that next time you won't have to go looking for it. The name of your company appears here on the right. If you work with several companies, it's important to note which company you're working on at all times. The background color behind the company's name is unique for each company and helps you easily distinguish between them. This three-lined icon is the Options menu, and it includes a variety of actions. For example, from the File menu, you can change the company you're working in or define your user signature. From the Mail menu, you can define the settings used to send email from within Priority, such as sending mail from within Priority via Gmail. The question mark to the left is the Help menu, which includes links to the Customer Zone, to video tutorials, and to Priority's FAQ page, where you can find answers to frequently asked questions on specific topics. Moving to the left, you'll see your username, and next to it, an icon indicating the number of screens that are open. The number 1 appears here because I have one screen open. From this window, you can close all of the forms or navigate between the open forms. To learn more about the forms in Priority, watch our video on the subject, or see the user interface guide, available via the Help menu. This concludes our explanation on Priority's homepage. Thank you for watching.